Hey guys, hope you all doing great. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna see how I make homemade clay. For this I'm taking 1 cup of cornstarch or cornflour, 2 tablespoons of any oil. Here I'm taking baby oil and 1 cup of fevicol or white glue. Then I'm taking 2 tablespoons of vinegar as a preservative. Now stir it continuously without any lumps. This clay has a tendency to turn yellow once it's dry, so to avoid that I'm adding white paint to it. You can use, it's optional. Now keep on the stove and stir it continuously in low flame until you get a thick consistency, so that you can knead it to form a clay. So this is the consistency you need to get. I'm taking few amount of lotion so that it won't stick in my hands. We need to knead the clay before it gets cooled down, so we should get a teardrop shape. So that's the perfect consistency to use the clay. So I'm wrapping it in a cling wrap so that air won't get inside. We can use this clay for around 4 to 5 months. So this is the next day I am using the clay. This clay gets even more softer on the next day, so I try to use the clay on the next day. I followed this recipe from Sugar Cafe Charms YouTube channel. She has a wonderful recipe posted on her channel, so I followed the same. I feel my clay is little bit oily, so next time when I'm making, I will try to reduce the amount of oil I use. Probably I might use 1 tablespoon of oil instead of 2. So here I'm making a cute little panda bear. I usually don't like to record videos. I feel that it takes me longer time to do, and I consciously need to look at the camera screen, so it takes me longer than I think. I feel this looks little empty, so I gonna add few detailing like adding a cup. Now I feel it looks good. So if you like my video, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you for your support.